In your Chevy, the Body Control Module, or BCM, is a key computer that manages your vehicle's electrical systems. It controls everything from your lights and power windows to the locks, wipers, and interior functions, while also communicating with the engine and transmission modules. You may need to reset your Chevy's BCM if you're having problems like random electrical issues, lights flickering, door locks not responding, or dashboard warning lights staying on. It's also a good step after doing electrical repairs or replacing the BCM. To perform a soft reset on your Chevy's BCM, first turn off the ignition and disconnect the negative battery cable. Wait around 10 to 15 minutes to allow power to drain completely, then reconnect it and start the vehicle. This often clears temporary BCM faults. If a soft reset doesn't fix your issue, try a hard reset or relearn. Disconnect both battery terminals. Touch them together for about 30 seconds to discharge residual voltage, then reconnect. Start your Chevy and let it idle for several minutes so the BCM can relearn system communication.